everybody. Today I'm going to be on the search for the perfect pie. Today is National Pie Day, so I'm going to go search for pie. Miss Wilson says pie is an irrational number. I'm going to figure out what that means in the search of the perfect pie. Come on, let's go. Hey everybody, I think we found pie. Let's go in and see if this is a pie we're looking for. Hey everybody, I got a pie. Round, circumference and diameter, but I don't think it's the pie I'm looking for. I'm gonna eat it anyways though.
A few moments later.
I'm still on my quest for pie. I'm at another location called the House of Pie. Let's go see if it has the pie I'm looking for. Wow, look at all these pies. Are these pies irrational?
No, but they're delicious.
Okay. Wow. Oh, that looks good.
Young one. These are not the pies you're looking for.
This is the pie I'm looking for, chocolate.
I'm still on my quest for pie, so I've come to the university. I think I'm getting closer to pie. Come on. Hey mister, is this pie?
This is Pi Kappa Phi.
Is it irrational?
No, but it's fun. Want to join?
Maybe in 5 or 6 years.
2 hours later.
Wherever I go, I just can't find pie. Pie's nowhere. Hey mister, do you know pie?
Do I know pie? Come here, let me show you about pie. This is the Department of Mathematics. I think you'll find pie here.
I better. I've been walking for 4 miles.
Hey, Professor, I got a kid here for you.
Hey, what's up, Professor Watts?
Well, come on in. What can I do for you today?
I want to learn about pie.
You want to learn about pie? What do you want to learn about pie?
Irrational pie.
Oh, well, yeah, pi is an irrational number. Do you know what an irrational number is?
No.
What that means is that the number cannot be made by dividing it into 2 integers. It means that the decimals go on forever, and they never repeat, and it's just a completely random pattern going on. My graduate assistant can show you a little bit about the history of pi, okay?
Okay.
Let's go over there and look at it. Pi has been with us for over 2,000 years. Our first determination of pi was made by the Babylonians in 1900 BC, and they approximated that pi was 25 over 8. Then later, in 1650 BC, the Egyptians determined that pi was roughly 256 over 81. A little bit later in time, in India, they found manuscripts that showed pi as 339 over 108. Our most extensive ancient understanding of pi comes from Greece in about 250 BC. Archimedes was able to prove that pi was somewhere between 223 over 71 and 22 over 7. Now in modern times we have supercomputers, and supercomputers can run millions of decimals of pi. Okay, so now you've got a little lesson on pi, you understand what an irrational number is.
Mm-hmm.
Do you have any other questions?
No.
Okay, did you learn a lot today?
Yep. 3.14159. 2653589. 7932384626433833279.
Well, that's probably better than me. That's pretty good, Mr. Wilson. I wish you luck with everything.
Thank you.
Grows longer to get more precise. A rounded off fraction just won't cut the ice. So 22/7 to take my advice. If I catch you round here, you will pay the price. So give up this facade. Ratios are oh so flawed. They close the door to those who lack infinite strings of O's, 2's, 9's, 3's, and 6's. It shows the woes of all the schmoes who chose to forgo Pi's logic. And I don't suppose those bozos applaud it when I throw down the gauntlet with my 3.14. I got it! You better lose yourself in the digits of pi. It's a high, but you got 1,000 more to go. The numbers do not stop or drop into pattern, no. Memorizing them takes most of a lifetime. Pi is 3.1415926535897932384626433832799.